Hey folks, what's going on? This is your boy Wesley Virgin here. And here's another video where I'm going to show you basically all my music lovers how to make $12 per song basically listening to music. Yes, you heard me correctly. You can listen to your favorite songs and it's people on the internet that will pay you just to listen to music. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do here, as you guys jump in here, I know you're excited. And listen, you're going to love me. You're going to love me so much because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. And guess what? Guess what? Everybody can do this. This is worldwide for my Nigerian brothers, my African brothers, India, Pakistan, Brazil. It doesn't matter where you are on the planet. You can do this. I'm going to show you how you can listen to music, okay, and get paid in the process, okay? So now listen, you gotta, disclaimer, you gotta love music. Like if you don't like listening to music, this is not gonna work for you, okay? But if you like music, you can do this while you're in the gym. You can listen when you're in your house. You can listen while you're at work, not doing your job. Let's listen to music. And these sites here will pay you up to $12 per song, okay? So the name of the site is called playlistpush.com. Now I know what you're thinking, Wesley, how do you know about all this stuff? Well, because I spent the last 10 years creating programs and learning how to make money on the internet. It's the reason why I'm making a ton of money, because I don't limit myself on different websites like this where I can make make money now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, listen, you can either do this. You can get your laptop like I have my laptop and go through this with me step by step so you don't miss a beat. Okay. Is that cool? Or you can just listen, record the video. You can like as well. You can subscribe, and you will subscribe because once I show you how to do this and how easy it is, you're going to love me to life. Okay. So understand, Playlist Push is basically people, artists around the planet that upload their music, okay, and people can review their music. Now, listen, if you're an artist, this is a good site that you want to upload your music as well, because you can get people around the world to check your stuff out. But if you're like me, I don't know how to sing. I'm going to prove it to you. You remind me of my jeans. I wanna ride like I wanna. Right, so I can't sing. So guess what? I'm not gonna be able to upload my music, but what I can do, I can become a curator. Okay, and this is what you want to do. I don't know how to sing. Okay, so if you're not a singer, not a rapper, you got to do exactly what I'm about to do. And I'm going to become a creator, okay? And basically what they do is all these different songs that are on this platform, they just pay you to listen to music up to $12. Would you like to know how to do it? Is everybody ready? I'm getting ready to show you step by step how to do this tonight, today, this morning. Is that cool? The site is playlistpush.com. Somebody comment that below for me, okay? And remember, listen, you can always subscribe right now if you want more free ways to make money on the internet, okay? Because I'm the king of this. That's why they call me King West, okay? So what you want to do is this. Pay attention. Become a creator, okay? Select your country. They have every country. Albania, Algeria, Andorra, right? Let me show you. They even have Nigeria. Look at that. Even Nigeria's on the map here. Look at that, Nigeria. So it doesn't matter where you are on the planet here. Everybody has the opportunity to make money just by listening to music. Because I know a lot of you listen to music every single day and you're not getting paid for it. And to me, that's insane. Get paid to listen to music. Stop listening to Drake, Beyonce, Big Sean, Migos for free. Okay, you can get paid to do this. All right, is that cool? So let's just pick a country. I'm going to pick Nigeria, because I have a lot of Nigeria followers and African followers here, and they're always saying, Wesley, your methods, it doesn't work for my country. All right, Nigeria. And you select here. Now, listen, how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have. Now listen, you have to have a Spotify account, okay, or an Apple account. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to do it with Spotify because I have a Spotify account, right? Because I listen to music when I work out, but I'm getting paid for it, okay? So make sure you have a Spotify account. Now, what you want to select is 0 to 1,000 followers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley Virgin, I have no followers. I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 followers right now. Is that cool? They're going to be real followers, 100%, because this is what has to happen. They have to follow you and they have to follow your playlist, okay? That's it. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do this together so we can get 1,000 followers in the next 24 to 48 hours. Listen, don't buy followers. Don't beg people. Just follow the strategy that I'm going to show you. Because as soon as you get 1,000, see, let me show you something here. If you would have clicked here, it would have said, sorry, you cannot become a curator on playlist push. But if you click here, great, looks like you qualify. That's all you need to do is qualify. And you hit that button, connect your Spotify account, and it's done. And that means all the music that you listen to on this, they want to pay you up to $12. So let me give you an example here. Say, let's pull out my calculator. Give me 1 second. So if I pull out my calculator right here, let's say how much money we want to make today, right? How much money do we want to make today here, okay? So let me close this out. Now remember, they're going to pay you up to $12 per song. So let's just say they're going to pay $10. Let's just say $10. We're not going to even say 12, just $10. So say I listen to 10 songs today times 10 equals it's $100. If you listen to more, you make more money. It all depends on how motivated you are. Does that make sense? It depends on how motivated you are. Now pay attention. Now I know what you're thinking, Wesley. How am I going to get, I have a Spotify account. First of all, how many of you have a Spotify account? Comment below. If you don't have one, go get one ASAP. Okay. Now listen, this is what you want to do. We're going to help each other get 1,000 subscribers and followers right now. And let me show you how we're going to do this. Now look, this is my Spotify account. This is my podcast. This is my Overnight Millionaire podcast. I created it just for this, actually. And as you can see here, I have a playlist here. You see that? My playlist is called Overnight Millionaire Playlist. That's what you're going to do. When you're in your Spotify account, you have to create a playlist. Now listen, you can do it 2 ways. I'm going to leave a link in the description to my actual Spotify playlist if you want to get wealthy at the same time, right? I teach people how to make money online, and I teach people how to change their poverty mindset into a millionaire mindset, okay? You can do that. You can use this channel. I will leave it below, and you can just create playlists. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it money, or whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can call your playlist money, all right? And you hit the word create. Okay, you can do this on your phone. You can do it on a computer. It doesn't matter, right? And then you have to add songs. It's up to you. You can either add your songs such as Jay-Z. You can add Drake. Maybe, and listen, it has to be a new playlist, okay? That's important. It has to be a new. So your current ones, unless you have 1,000 followers, you're good. But it needs to be a new playlist, all right? So you create the new one, right? Name it whatever you want. Money, millions, billions of dollars. Make money right now. It doesn't matter. You name it. You can name it Pookie and Ray Ray. It doesn't matter. When you name it, now what you want to do is this. I'm going to go to the playlist that I created. It's called Overnight Millionaire. You want to click this button and you want to copy the playlist link. Now, guess what you're going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to copy it and you're going to paste it in the comments below right now. Does that make sense? All of us are going to work together and we're going to follow each other to win. Does that make sense? Because no man is an island. All of us together are going to follow each other's playlist. Okay? Listen, it's very important. Once you create the playlist, either your music or you can take my Spotify podcast and create your own podcast based off and create a playlist based off my content. But all you do is you take the playlist and you're going to copy the playlist in the description below in the comment section. Say, here's my playlist. Follow me. Everybody that's listening to my voice will go follow them. And guess what? We're going to follow you. Now listen, and this is very important. Once you have to love the playlist. Let me paste it. Look. This is the playlist here. Okay. So you have to follow the playlist, like it, and then the person that created the Spotify, you have to follow them. That's all you have to do. Okay. And as you see, I'm already following these people, right? Which is myself. That's all you have to do is you follow them, and that's it. Does that make sense? Now listen, if we all do this together, you'll have 1,000 followers in 24 to 48 hours. And guess what? I'm going to follow you too. Like, all you have to do is this. Just listen. And let me say it again. Okay. You go to your Spotify account. Okay. You create a playlist. I will leave a link below. I will leave this link right here in the actual description. Let me see if I can do it right now. All right, look, that is my playlist, okay? You can use that and you can create your own playlist based off of that. Or, let me show you this. Hold on. I just want to make it super, super easy for you. Give me 1 second here. All right, here we go. Look at this. This is my podcast. It's free. Say if you say, you know what, Wesley, while I'm making money, listen to music, maybe I want to listen to you at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that link below. You can create a playlist right now from this link here. It's just my podcast. And all you do is when you log in, you just click create playlist. You can put it whatever you want. Your name can be Jennifer or Rebecca or Ann or whatever, right? Jennifer's playlist. Or we'll put Wesley's playlist. West playlist. Okay. Make sense? And then you hit create. Okay, once you create, and then you just add the songs, right? You add the music here. So you go back here, and if I do a refresh, I will see my playlist. And you probably can do this easier on your phone. You can do it on the app that's on the computer. But I'm just showing you how to do it just right here on your laptop. Does that make sense? Any questions for me, okay? And listen, everybody right now, comment your Spotify playlist, okay? Not your channel, your playlist. You have to love the playlist. You have to like the playlist of another person, and you have to follow that person, okay? It's important. It's the playlist. You have to like and add that playlist to your channel. Then you're going to click on their name. Their name will be here. I have a number here. And then they will follow you. Listen, we're going to all do this together. Does that make sense? We're going to all do this together. In the comment section below right now, everybody can do this. Put your playlist below. I'm going to follow you. Pookie going to follow you. Amon, Jennifer, Ann, Kuta Kente. Everybody's going to follow each other. We're going to do it together. Make sense? Because it's all about working together to make this money, right? Then listen, once you have that done, okay, let's go back here. Once you finish that, and then when you go back to playlistpush.com, you're going to tell these people, right? What happened? Hold on. When you go back here, okay, you're going to become a curator here. Select your country. It doesn't matter your country. And you just click here because you got to have 1,000. And once you connect it, it's going to connect to the playlist. They're going to see that you have over 1,000 followers. And listen, all we're going to do is follow each other. Okay, I'm going to follow you. You follow me. You follow everybody. Everybody that put their Spotify channel below or their playlist is important. You got to put the playlist. And once they click on the playlist, you will see a link where you can follow them. You have to follow them and add their playlist to your channel, okay? And like it. Does that make sense? And then you're good to go. Any questions for me? Hey, if I deserve a sub and a like, go ahead and like it right now. If you're going to do this, I want everybody, listen, this is how we make money on the planet. Everybody has to work together. No man or woman is an island. The reason why I'm very wealthy because I help people win. Imagine if everybody that watched this video here, it's on YouTube, everybody put their playlist below, right? put their playlist below and say, hey, follow me and I'll follow back. And once they click on your playlist, you add their playlist to your channel. You like it. And then you follow them. See, if everybody did this, then everybody will be making up to $12 per song. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Okay. Any questions for me? Listen, you have any confusion, look in the description below. I'm going to print out something that's very detailed to show you, just in case you don't get it. But make sure it's very important that the playlist that you create today, you got to create a new one on your Spotify account. You put your favorite songs in there. That's all you have to do. It doesn't matter what songs, any song. And then what you do is with that playlist here, click on it. It's going to be a link that allows you to copy the playlist link. You put that link in the description below and say, follow me and I will follow back, right? They got to follow the playlist. That means they have to add the playlist to their channel, to your Spotify account. Then you click on the person's name and then you follow them and you're done. And if we keep doing it every day, right now, if everybody just go through the comments and do it for each other, everybody wins. And this is how you make up to $12 an hour. $12 per song. Hey guys, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Oh, I see you guys doing it right now. Okay, great. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. If I deserve a sub for this great video, listen, if you need any help, leave messages in the comment section. If there's any video that you would like me to create, if you think this video was great, I told you that you were going to love me after this, because there's no reason why you can't do this right now tonight. You're going to have people that's going to help you. My millions of followers and my hundreds of thousands of followers, we're going to follow each other on Spotify. So to make sure that we're reviewing songs and we're listening and we're getting paid in the process. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the like. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let go.